Hello my loves, welcome back to another video. Today's video is going to be a hair wash day routine for the girls, and I'm going to be showing you guys how I shampoo their hair and how I style it. So I have a 1-year-old and a 4-year-old, so let's just go ahead and get started. So this is my favorite shampoo and conditioner. It's the coconut and hibiscus curl and shine shampoo and conditioner from Shea Moisture, and I also like this conditioner right there. This is a leave-in, and this was my first time trying it, and y'all, I'm gonna tell you guys about it later. Then this Aunt Jackie's Don't Shrink. It's a curling gel. I like that. Also, this is a curl enhancing smoothie. I didn't use this today, but it's another product that I love. And for edges, I love this edge control. Definitely will have it linked down below. I've been using it for like a year, and this Eco Style gel, love that. You're gonna need a water bottle, combs, and I love these in particular because the tail on the end is skinny and it helps you get those precise parts. So now for shampooing, I am using this shampoo time mat, and my husband picked this up. I'm gonna have to get the link from him on where he got it from, but I'll have it linked down below as well. So I've already taken her rubber bands out from our previous style, and I just like to stretch her hair out, and then I go ahead and go in with the first rinse. So right now I'm just trying to rinse her hair and get all of the product from her previous style out. So I'm just rinsing, and rinsing. Now picking up my shampoo and conditioner, I am going to go ahead and go in with the first shampoo. I do go in twice shampooing her hair. So the first time is just to, get all of the excess product that the first rinse did not get out. And you want to make sure you are massaging the scalp, massaging those hair follicles. And after that, I rinse it out and I shampoo her hair once again. And I'm not going to show that just because, it's just me shampooing. Right now, I'm just applying the conditioner, and Shine came home, and y'all, things just went downhill. She was ready to get up. You see how good she was doing, and now since he came in, she like, So this is her hair after shampooing it. Now on to Skylar's hair. So this is my 4-year-old, and she has, oh my God, this hair is just so thick, and I already know Summer's hair is headed in the same direction, so just pray for me, girl, because woo. So I'm just going through her hair just like I did with Summer's, and I just rinsed it. Now with shampoo, I have to really use a lot, but this shampoo does lather up rather nicely, and I don't have to use too much, but just because she has thick hair, I have to use more than I use on Summer. So the same thing I was doing with Summer, I'm massaging her scalp, massaging those hair follicles, making sure I'm massaging, get that blood circulating so we can continue to get that growth. And I shampoo Skylar's hair about 2 times, sometimes 3 if it's a lot of product in there. And with conditioner, I go overboard probably. I just be packing it in there. I don't even care. And sometimes I let it stay on for at least, 15 minutes. I put a plastic cap on it. Today I didn't do that, but I am just going to, I let it sit on there for about 5 minutes, and then I just rinsed it out. And after that, we're just going to go on to styling. So starting with Summer first, I'm going in with this Camille Rose. So I told you guys previously, this was a new product that I picked up, and I am in love with it. I got it from Target. I'll try to link it down below, but let me tell you guys, I use the Just for Kids spray. It's like a leave-in detangler, and that works really good with detangling the hair and just making it easier for you to, go through and comb the hair. But girl, this stuff right here works like magic. You should definitely pick up some. And these are the 2 gels that I go back and forth with using. And you see I just put some through the part, and that's just going to help with getting those clean parts. So once you part the hair, you want to go through and put some gel on the part and just go over the part again, and I promise you it's going to help you get those nice clean parts. So Skylar picked this hairstyle out for the two of them. So I'm going to do their hair exactly alike. You can kind of see what I'm doing right here. However, Summer was getting antsy and the cameras that I had set up, it was just like the angles was not good after her wanting to get up and everything. So right now I just use the edge control and I like to go over around the blocks before I do them, just to make sure all the hair is tame. And now I'm just doing some cornrows on the side. As you can see, she fell asleep and then she started getting fussy, so I was like, you know what, let's just take a break and go on to Skylar. So with Skylar, her hair had kind of like dried out a little bit, so I sprayed it down with the spray bottle first, and then I'm putting leave-in conditioner in. And I'm just packing it in there, girl. I'm just packing it in there and just rubbing it through the roots to the ends. And now I'm going to go ahead and start sectioning and parting the hair. So I'm, like I said previously, I'm doing her hair just like Summer's. And you see this pink brush beside me right here? I got it from a beauty supply store and I absolutely love it. It helps with detangling the hair. And always remember, when you detangling the hair, start at the ends and work your way up. So now I'm going to take that edge control and I go around this block that I just made, and I'm putting this hair in a ponytail. This is how I do the blocks. If you don't know how to braid a cornrow, I feel like this is a great alternative to style your daughter's hair. You can do these blocks all in the front, and like instead of doing the braids, you can do the blocks, and it's a great style that will last at least a week and sometimes 2 weeks. Okay, so this is how I keep their hair. I keep their hair like in blocks or either braids, so I don't have to do it every single day. In the summer, she wanted to hug her sister. Like, they love loving on each other. So now for my braids, as you can see, I'm taking the edge control and I'm going right there at the part just to slick it down. And it's just going to help those braids look more smooth, and just the product just holds the braids together when I do it like that. So now I'm just braiding her hair up. I'm going to let you watch that for a little bit. Oh my goodness, while I was editing this, I know someone may say something, but she's a child. She'd had a little friend in her nose, and I just realized it when I was editing it, and I wasn't going to put the video up. I'm like, you know what, I feel like this video is useful and beneficial, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it up. So, I know. Mama! Hey! Mama! Oh my goodness, let me cut this voiceover off. Oh, y'all so cute. So this process takes a few hours, okay? Let me just be honest. And sometimes we take breaks. Like, this is an all-day thing, okay? So right here, Skylar's laying down, and I'm just braiding her hair up. I wanted to do braids all around, but I got tired. They got tired. So I'm just going to do braids and blocks in the front. And then in the back, I'm just going to pull everything up into a ponytail and do some 2-strand twists. So here's a closer look into how I do the blocks. I'm just putting this first block into a ponytail, and then I'm going to go in with the second block, and I'm going to start it out with the rubber band. As you can see, I'm just twisting the rubber band around the hair. Twist, twist, twist about 2-3 times. And now I'm going to take that first strand and pull it back to the second block. And you want to make sure you're not doing this too tight because it will hurt. So So, and sometimes I go in and I loosen it up if I've done it too tight. So the back kind of dried out, so I take my spray bottle. I love the spray bottle because it's a continuous misting spray bottle. It just makes it easier to spray the water out. And I put some of the detangler on there. I detangled the hair, and now I'm just putting it in the ponytail. And now I'm just getting ready to two strand twist her ponytail. And this hairstyle will last her at least 2 weeks. And I finished Summers off camera. I didn't get a lot of footage of the end resort results. Can I not say that? But here is how it looked. Oh my goodness, I don't know why I didn't get any good footage. But anyways, the style came out very nicely. I absolutely love it. If you guys enjoyed this tutorial and enjoyed the girls wash day routine video and you want me to do more like this, definitely let me know. Give it a thumbs up. Share this video if you found it useful to help someone else out. And I will see you guys in the next one.